How to turn off security delay on iPhone. To turn off the security delay on your iPhone, which is often linked to the stolen device protection feature, this is a short guide video for you. First of all, you have to simply open or launch your settings app on your iPhone. From there, scroll down a little bit. There use your Face ID and passcode option. Tap on that. Then you have to enter your passcode to unlock the settings. Now scroll down to the Find Stolen Device Protection and tap on it. Now disable the toggle off for stolen device protection. It will take 1 hour and then you can turn it off easily. In this way, you can easily turn off security delay on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.